You can add different types of text to your Jam frame. To do that, click on the text icon on the toolbar. The default text is normal. To change that, click on the drop-down and select the text type. To add text, click on the frame. Start typing your text. If you need to change the size of your text box, click and drag one of the corners or one of the squares. To change the color, click on the text color. Select one of the colors available. You can also change the alignment by clicking on the alignment. To move the text, click and drag it. You can also use this corner dot to swivel the text box. To duplicate your text, make sure the text is selected, click the three dots, and select Duplicate. You can then click and move this text to wherever you'd like, as well as change the color, the alignment, and the type of text. If you need to delete some text, click on it, click on the three dots, and select Delete. To edit the text, double-click on the text you wish to edit, and start typing your new text. You can also click on the text, select the three dots, and Edit to edit the text.